Oh my goodness. Are we actually even live? Let us test things. Okay, that works. Give me a second. Testing microphone 1 2. Testing microphone 1 2. Testing microphone 1 2. That sounds crisp. That sounds real crisp. Is it the microphone too strong? Is it the microphone too strong? It could be too strong. Oh yeah, I probably want to reduce the volume of my game a bit, don't I? Okay. Right. Wait, what happened to the music? Huh. Oh well. Let's try popping in first with a face cam. Ah, yeah, okay. At least the face cam works. Hello, folks. It's me and Biggie, and I'm back. We're live, but there's still so much more we need to do to get everything working properly. I don't have a checklist, do I? No, I don't have a checklist. But let's see if I could bring up, create some sort of checklist for today. I'm going to add a little text thing. Checklist. Text. Okay. Right, so let's test. Okay. So a couple of, yeah, there's just a bunch of things we need to do today. Oh wait, do we get, is our little PNG tuber working well? Is our dude still here? He is, but yeah, he is, but he's not going to be able to represent you guys very well. I'll resize you. Wait, does resizing your window actually... Come on. I guess that's about it. Test 1 2. Testing 1 2. Yeah, I think that's pretty much as close. Yep. Yeah, that's like the guy's working fine with a... The guy's working okay. Yes? No? Yeah? Testing microphone. Test 1 2. Yep. Okay, the little guy's working okay. He's a little bit too bouncy, isn't he? But it would be nice, at the very least, the PNG dude still works fine. But okay, so there's a couple of things we need to get started. I don't have any audio rerouting software yet. Download, install audio rerouting software. Download and install audio rerouting software. It's rerouting, not rewriting. Just give me a second. Wait, why is there no text wrapping? The text is so big. Oh, too small. Still too small. Damn it.
Hello sir, how are you doing on this wonderful Friday, playing a new game or something new?
I have no idea how things are gonna go. But like I said, I've completely reset my PC. This is how far I've gone so far. And I'm trying to get a checklist text of sort to work, but of course it's not doing very well. But today is going to be a lot of experimental stuff. Download and install Voicemeeter Potato. Okay, let's select the font, see if the output is improved if I select the right fonts. 36, press OK. It's too small. 48, 72. I think that's pretty much the size I want. That's what she said. So let's go and do a little bit of a checklist. 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 Okay. So basically, I'm going to try a few different things. Previously, I used a program called SplitCam, but I've been recommended to use Voicemeeter Potato because the thing has more than one virtual input-output cables, meaning I could actually get this little guy to not only take my microphone as the okay, you know what? Let me try a couple of things to work right now. I'm going to go not sound settings. I think it is sound devices. Let's enable. Wait a minute. Is there an internal aux jack that I could enable as well? That's interesting. Okay. Because there's an internal auxiliary jack, which means that I have a choice of another microphone source. Basically this thing. So there's that. Okay, so for now, what I could do is go... Let's close you up first. All right. Okay, now we shall see if the text-to-speech is going to work. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox I see. I think it's using... Okay, just sound device. This is not the menu I want. I want the other menu. Not the volume mixer. I sometimes hate Windows 10 so much. No, not this sound settings. Not device properties. No. Finally, sound control panel. Right, so the speakers of JLab microphone, I'm going to disable. I'm gonna disable a bunch of things. Okay, we're setting that as default. And also the internal aux jack doesn't seem to do anything. I'm going to disable you. All right. Let's see if things work better now. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog 3.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog 2. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog 3.
Okay.
Howdy howdy, the PC lives?
Yes, it does. But the stereo mix doesn't seem... Okay, so with this is the... But if I do this, it's going to be too loud, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so... Right. It lives, but it doesn't live, really. Not yet. what's happening now is I'm going to try downloading. Oh, okay. Give me a second. I'm going to try downloading Voice Meter Potato. And I'm going to see if that's going to work out well or not. Because right now we have... okay, so here's the thing. I'm trying to get multiple sources working, and I need multiple virtual audio cables for outputs. So what I'm trying is either I'm going to download an app called re-download Split Stream, Split Cam, Split Cam, to make it work as before. And this little guy is going to be able to work well with Split Cam, or I'm going to, because right now I'm using stereo mix. So if I turn on game audio, for example. Yeah, that's not going to work out, is it? The thing is, we have virtual camera. This virtual camera has, I think...
Lil guy can sing LOL.
Yep. Okay. So the thing is, we don't have quite a virtual device. So I mean, I might need to download and install Voice Meter Potato. That's one option. Voice Meter Potato is donationware, so we'll see if things are working out that way. And basically, it just says, "Hey, you want more?" Well, it's either just Voice Meter. We have a couple of choices. Just download Voice Meter Potato, which is donationware. Comes with 3 virtual cables, which is just enough for me. So we have audio output over here, and stuff, but and it comes with additional virtual cables. So what is a virtual cable? A virtual cable says that, oh, we're going to pretend that this is the thing that I want you to listen to, and you only listen to this thing and nothing else. So for example, I could plug a virtual cable from OBS and reroute it straight into this guy, so everything that is TTS related to this will be rerouted only to this guy. So the little tuber dude, little Manta, will only speak when TTX is speaking. And at the same time, simultaneously, I could reroute in-game audio directly into the translation program, which reminds me, I need to actually set up the translation program. So today is going to be setup day. Translation program. I am so happy. Well, not so happy. I am actually glad that initially my first instinct was that I should revert back to Windows 11. And I'm so glad that I didn't, because it's just when the vulnerability with the SSDs just came out. So absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Windows 11, for almost ruining everything. And wait a minute. Oh, and I've heard the news, Mana, about the UK going after VPNs. Absolutely ridiculous.
Microsoft's incredible ability to get worse.
Yep. Why are you so bouncy? Did I set the bounciness wrong? Or did I set the weight of the environment wrong? Yeah, but you're a little bit too bouncy for my liking. Yeah, bounce force is a little bit too high. Reduce bounce force.
Yup. The UK is going after VPNs and internet and free speech and the very notion of being British.
I like around 24 FPS just to make it like old school animation.
Also, Germany tried to go after ad blockers, but that got blasted quick.
Could you try testing the bounciness now? I like the lower frame rate, so it looks like old school.
Is it too bouncy?
A little bit too bouncy, yeah. Because when it's a little bit too bouncy, you could see the little manta arms clipping, manta fins clipping a little bit. So yeah, that looks fine. And I mean, at 20.
Beatles Battle by Bailey Beach.
Yeah, that looks fine. I need to set up the okay, so the checklist for today: to get things working, we need to set up a translation program. We're done with the physical aspects of stuff. The thing is, it's not voice meter, but it's voice meter potato. And set up translation program. I'm gonna try setting up the translation program first, and see how that goes. And you know what? This is just gonna be me be a little bit ranty now. I downloaded Windows, reinstalled it, and it's for the life of me. Okay, so this is just me going to rant about why I didn't actually stream the day before. So on which day was it? This was your Wednesday, my Thursday. I set up things to start streaming, and I re-downloaded stuff on I re-downloaded stuff on Opera, which is the browser that I use, because it's a little bit more convenient for me, and all my stuff, all my data saved on there. And it stopped working with ChatGPT voice dictation, and I went in and I tried to solve everything. I went down a rabbit hole of making sure that everything works, trying to get everything to work, and it refused to. It just went nah. And it's only just voice dictation. So I went in and I had to download Chrome. I downloaded Brave. I downloaded Chrome. So voice dictation stopped working once I updated my Windows 10. It could also be the reason that my PC bricked when I updated Windows 10. And there's voice dictation on Chromium stuff no longer works on Chrome. Yeah, on Chromium. It only works on Chrome. So if we wanted to actually get the voice dictation to work, I have to go and open Google, like Google Chrome, because they wanted to make sure that I bypassed my data through it. And it's just, the encrapification of the internet is real. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah. So I need to go.
Indeed.
I need to go back to Google Chrome here. Enhance ad privacy. Okay, no. I'm not gonna set Chrome as default. No, thank you. I need to. What happened to my bookmarks? All my Chrome bookmarks. Yeah. All disappeared. Right. Okay, anyways. Let me know if things are too loud, too soft, because we're okay. Oh, great. My password got compromised. Wonderful. I'll need to deal with that. Where was I? Was it Jimaku Chan? Okay. JLab. Allow this time. Alright, voice recognition subtitles. Alright, they've got presets. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go with English for recognition language and translating language to...
I was honestly getting worried that PC was no more.
Oh, that's cool. Right, so... Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Okay. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Testo. Sorry, that must be loud. All right. Give me a second.
Heh, lil guy is bouncing to the music. Okay, give me a second. It was working a while ago. Okay, I didn't allow it. Okay, so right, there are a couple of presets that are working okay, but okay, let me just see if I could change the preset here. Is this accessibility focused? Okay. Right. So the text translation is working now, but it does seem to stop translation. Okay, so here's the thing. It's using my stereo mix, but it disappears. So I'll need to configure out what choices I have. Okay, give me a second. I'll need to reopen this in Chrome. Okay. I'm going to try translating this page. Yeah, we don't need an API key anymore. After how many milliseconds should the sentence be deleted? There we go. Okay. So could either say accessibility is a priority or for game streaming. Okay, so if it's for game streaming, I wonder if the preset here we could switch it to 7 seconds.
Tiny behind the scenes cam LOL.
The tiniest of the behind the scenes screens. Xeon adds says okay. Right, so I think we need a whole lot more than 7 seconds. Let's go with we'll try this.
戦争の早期決着しか勝機がないと考えたジオン軍はついに暴挙とも思える奇策コロニー落とし作戦を実行に移す。
An outrageous plan. Okay, so if I do this, then... Oh, it still disappears. Yeah, it still disappears. It shouldn't disappear. I don't want it to... because I wouldn't have enough time to react to it. Hmm. It generates a bat file? No. Okay, so we'll see if this is going to work out. Well, first off, let me switch to my face cam again real quick. All right, the translation program seems to be working, but it's... Okay, so good news, bad news. It's working kind of fine, but it does erase itself after a little while. So there's that. Thanks for the likes, people. Thanks for coming in and leaving a like and stuff. But I mean, this is just getting stuff to work. If things work, things work. Now we'll test.
Hello everyone.
Oh, hello, little Chimaku text-to-speech stuff. Yep.
Getting stuff to work, the movie experience featuring Knuckles and Dante from Devil May Cry. High achieve.
Yes.
Here you
Cheese.
go. I gave you a like now.
Okay. All right. So everything's rerouting to what is it giving me? Okay. All right. Let's see if this works. Right? When I put on an wait. Google, no. Oh no, we don't have a bonk meter. Oh no. Aww. I am sad. I am so sad that the bonk meter is gone. I need to that needs to be on our checklist, isn't it?
No.
Not about the friggin', not the text about friggin' islands. Okay. Land ifish. But okay, so we where's our checklist? Okay. So the translation program works, but what's the thing? Okay. Bonk meter. The bonk meter needs to return. I think the okay, so right now the thing about the voice meter, it's probably going to be something that requires my PC to restart. So we'll need to get that working. It is utmost importance to get the bonk meter to work. So I'm gonna go to my face cam real quick. What about this? What does this work? Yep, okay. Alright, that's good that that's working. Yeah, but right now it is strictly like this little guy's working strictly off audio, desktop audio. So there's that. Until I get voice meter potato set up, things aren't gonna work. I'm just thinking about voice meter. So okay, so just to explain what voice meter does is that it lets me connect applications to applications. Basically, it's a virtual cable. I could actually download and get virtual cables for free. No, for not free. I could get one virtual cable. But Voice Meter Potato is donationware that lets me... you know what? I'm just going to download it first. Okay, but we'll need to revive the bonk meter as well. So there's something... Okay. Let me get things straight. Is there news about the UK Gov trying to get rid of VPNs?
Get the blood sacrifice ready for the resurrection of the bonk meter.
Yep. What does the bonk meter need? VS Studio code. Yep.
Beyond them declaring that they want to, nothing more.
Okay. Accepting agreement.
Honestly, they can't even enforce their own age verification that well. How do they expect to ban VPNs?
Oh, damn it. It requires a...
Why must we be governed by tyrannical, power-hungry morons?
You know, something that I saw. I might be forced to restart the PC, but if that happens, then I'll let you know. No AI features, please. Now the question is, where is my code? Okay, I'll just run some sort of search. For the word bonk. No, not the drive D bonk meter returns here. But yeah, it is becoming clear that it is just so okay. So what the point I was trying to say is earlier is I've been following this dude called Gary Economics, and he states it so eloquently. It says that rich people are stupid too. You could assume the rich people are more educated, but they're stupid too. Like, every single thing is so stupid. The whole, whatchamacallit? Cracker Barrel rebranding. So toned, like, every rich person. So here's what's happening. Stupidity is infiltrating at every single level. It is literally infiltrating stuff at every single level you could imagine. So game CEOs are getting stupid.
Oh, I am well aware of how dumb rich people are. A lot of my customers are very rich people, and many of them had no idea that leaving food out attracts bugs.
Yeah, it's just that idiocy is all permeating at all levels. So if you're wondering why
Democracy is a documentary.
yeah. It's infiltrating at every single level. And it becomes apparent when people like CEOs and stuff are doing tone deaf things, and especially being surrounded by yes men. The only thing that's showing up now is that in a fair and but there is a certain. Wasn't there a dude a couple of years ago who decided to give his employees, like, cut his own salary, gave his employees fair wage, and then the media lambasted him as being like, socialist propaganda, you know? Okay, it's in the users folder. Oh, this is backup. No. Has to be
The
this.
one lady who had to operate a Burger King by herself was hailed by the media as a champion of the working class and what every fast food worker should aspire to. She was recently fired for being 5 minutes late to that same Burger King.
It has to be the source. Then repos. No, that's a Python source file. I think it's open folder. This PC.
We really need to go back to taxing the rich by 90%. They need to get torn down from their lofty towers and get a glimpse at what regular life is like.
Tax the rich is definitely needing to be a thing. And but the only problem is that the rich are in power. And it's so like there's idiocy, and then there's malice, and okay, it's just what it is that rich people in power, they know that being rich keeps them in power, and they can't. It's just people not being able to see the forest for the trees, and there's a
People
point
with more dollars than cents.
Hooray! I love it. Okay, love it. But the thing is, I need to get the bonk meter working again. Okay. Yes. Allow access on private networks. Can I get it to work? Select Python interpreter. Python's not installed. Okay. Right. Let's install Python. I'll probably need to install Pygame as well. Ooh. As a side note, GPT-5 massively improved code. So we might do a little bit of a coding improvement type thing. Okay. We'll need to get Pygame, right?
Well, I must go now. Gonna play game, but I really missed Battlefield 6 due to beta version was over.
Give me a second. All right, Master Chief. Yeah. Hopefully Battlefield 6 is going to go well. And right now, we are reaching a somewhat of a...
I'm gonna play Phantasy Star Online 2, New Genesis. Bye.
Yeah, bye, Master Chief. But the thing is, we're reaching a certain level... Wait. A return to gaming, but not quite a gaming renaissance, no. It is a gaming... it has never been... I think this is especially too with Xbox and their whole Game Pass concept. It is whatchamacallit. I'm reminded of
PSO New Genesis.
Oh, okay. But yeah, we're reaching somewhat of a it has never been easier or lower the tier to the bar for entering gaming has never been easier, and Xbox Game Pass is doing very well for itself. I mean, it has Silksong, it has Expedition 33. So for those with the console and maybe the means, just enough means to pay a monthly subscription, I think it's such a good deal, right? And I know there's the whole thing that the whole problem of it's a licensing to play games, right? And it makes almost no sense now that the game it has been never been gaming's cheaper now with that whole concept, but the idea of not owning anything does suck, but also having the quote unquote ability to do both is quite important as well. Being able to own physical copies is one thing, and if you have the means to do that. But licensing, it should be it's the Netflix model. Right now, we're heading towards a maybe Silver Age of gaming where we're getting it's getting easier and it's getting less expensive to game, but at the same time, it could also just be a road leading up to the end crapification of things as well. Man, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT again. Wait. How to download Pygame for VS Code. Oh yeah, I needed to do this in the where's the terminal? Okay. Let's see if it lives. Does it live?
Huh?
It lives! The bump meter lives! Go ahead and have a look at the...
Whoa.
PC screen. Yeah, the little guy lives. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, so the bot meter is returned. Good news, everyone. The only thing left now is voice meter potato. And we could do that maybe next time. Let's go ahead and test this. I'm going to test the various windows here. This needs to move over here. This needs... Okay, so I'm ordering the windows I'd like to see. So Jimaku here. This goes here. Gotta pin this to the taskbar here. This needs to go here. I'll also try pinning this to the taskbar. Okay, 1 and 2. And this is already pinned? Okay. Let's go window 1. Okay, window 1. Window 2, window 3, 4, 5, 6. This needs to go here and minimize. This needs to go where? Over here. And Jimaku, you need to go somewhere here. The BlueStacks app player needs to go here. And I'll need to reorganize all of the windows so that I could see everything. Okay.
これまでの戦闘ですでに多大な被害を受けていた地球連邦軍であったが、
Okay.
に落下阻止のために残存した宇宙艦隊を衛星軌道上にかき集めていた。
Been collected. Right.
やがてコロニーは地球に近づき、
Eventually, colony approaches Earth.
見せつけ、今両軍の総力を挙げた作戦が始まろうとしていた。
Okay, so with this, I'm going to make the font a little bit lower. The font's a little bit too big. So big. Okay, this needs to be around 20-ish.
Oh, have you seen the new Megavic treble, Biggie?
Oh no. Oh, have you seen the new Mech Tribble? I have not, no.
It's one of the dumbest looking things ever.
増えすぎた
Universal
宇
Century.
宙に移民させるようになってすでに半世紀が過ぎていた。地球の周りには巨大なスペースコロニーが浮かび、人々はその人口の大地を新たな故郷としていた。宇宙で生活をすることが普通のこととなったスペースノイドは、やがて地球からの独立を求めるようになっていった。しかし、地球に住む人々、
Not bad.
すなわち地上からコロニーを支配し続けようとしたアースノイドはそれを許さなかったのである。やがて両者の緊張関係は
Earthloid
ついに戦乱の火蓋が切って落とされる。地球から一番遠いコロニーサイド3がジオン公国を名乗り、地球連邦政府に対して宣戦を布告したのである。ジオン軍の開発した新型機動兵器モビルスーツの活躍もあり、初戦はジオン公国が戦局を有利に展開していった。しかし戦争が長引くにつれ、連邦軍は物量でジオン軍
Okay.
を圧倒し始めていく。戦争の早期決
Right.
着しか勝機がないと考えたジオン軍はつい
Right now, what it seems like is that the translation is going fine. It is the question of how long the stuff stays on screen. I'm going to test with a different game, actually.
思える奇策、コロニー落とし作戦を実行に移す。この作戦は巨大な
Let me test. Let's go back again. Let me test this.
小高い丘に立つ私立萌木野高校。丘のふもと、普段の通学路から外れた場所に今ではもう使われない弓道があります。その弓道
Unused
の
archery
ひっそりと立つのが小野小社と呼ばれる古いお社です。
An old company.
学校裏のおみな社と対になって
Large
建てられたのだそうです。
Is
そして2つのお社を結ぶ弓道の途中に素敵な言い伝えのある坂があります。
lovely.
運命のその日、桜の舞い散る中で愛を誓い
Day
合
of
った
fate
2人は永遠に結ばれる。
Two pledge that love each other, fall and cherry blossoms will be bound forever.
坂の伝説です。
Legendary slope. A slippery one. Wow, this is very, very poorly rendered. I wonder if different rendering methods will improve. Oh my god. Oh, goodness. I guess this is probably the best choice? Oh no. Oh, the flicker is real. In that promised place? Okay. Okay. Another world indicates settings. What? Do we have a free talk?
おはようございます。立花恵美役の安田美代です。長かった収録も今日で終わりです。嬉しいような寂しいようなそんな気持ちです。恵美ちゃん
I have such a feeling that I'm happy and lonely. Okay.
という子はとても優しい子で全然怒らない。これゲームやってくださった皆さんも分かってると思いますけど、そんな恵美ちゃんを演じてるとこっちも優しい気持ちになれる。そんな感じが。
Okay. Right. So, no, wait. Demos. Oh. Fireworks? Roller coasters? Hooray for fireworks.
They're yours, my friend, if you have the rupees.
Bombs. Lamp rope. Oil. Look at them graphics. We have roller coasters. Improved PS2 graphics roller coasters. Do you?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hooray. Okay. Okay, the speech to text works well enough. So the only thing remaining is wiring up various different things. Okay, question is, do we try to play something today? Oh man, okay. I'm going to download Voice Meter and see if I could set it up without having to reset my PC. And if I do need to reset my PC, I'll be right back. I'm actually just happy that the bump meter is working. So there's that. Yeah, VB audio.
Make sure you can run the most important game on Saga.
Oh no. Let's just download page and user manual. Okay. Voice Meter Potato is free to use with all functions available, except optional features. You pay for what you want when where you find it useful. Thanks for the participation. Okay. Right. So the thing about Voice Meter, it is completely donationware. So pay what you can. Let me set it up. It's probably going to ask me to reset the PC. Let me just switch over. Bonk meter. Okay. The application stopped working. Right, let me just close it. Okay, there's that.
Very loud.
All right, I'm gonna have
Ow.
to restart my PC. So I'll do be right back. Or yeah, just yeah, I'll be right back. So hopefully things will be working okay. I'll mostly be trying it on. Yeah, I'll set up another live stream stuff to try to get to work. Yeah, I'll be right back.